was that.
Ozzy, I don't want to see your beautiful.
There's Simon.
Look at my trousers.
I know. I do love the way his trousers are light like that. It's cute.
Oh, he's just into her.
Uh-oh.
Here it goes.
She'll kill you, Oz.
You've been warned. You've been warned. She's fast.
She likes to make it real close. Then she can get the nose.
Just stares.
Katie walks out like, I didn't get any pizza. But he's not anywhere near Willie's size.
What? No, honey. He looks like a
miniature.
He is a miniature compared to Willie.
Well, that was the point when I started worrying about the fact that I thought he was going to be another big dog, you know?
No.
Poor Willie.
Don't you people be talking about my Willie.
Ozzy!
He still says, love you.
Oh.
It's just real deep.
That's his body, huh?
Freddie's not too bright.
But he's so
She looks
happy.
up like, who did that to me?
Freddie, you're not too bright. You could run into that.
It's something else.
I like it.
I do
did.
too.
Look at that snake tail. Yeah, those are interesting.
Now, I understand the tail, because Wiz has that same tail.
Right?
He's almost as tall as
But
Sadie.
the
panelins, Wiz has like one little area that's silver, and then the rest of it isn't. I mean, it's just...
That is something else. But I haven't been around enough blacks to see what the, you know.
But I
what
do
all
think
they do.
it'll be a good thing. I think it'll be an offset to him.
Oh, I do too. I
His
think.
tail.
Really?
His tail, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it'll go.
I like it.
It looks
Yeah.
like someone took a paintbrush.
Bear Bear. Bear Bear.
And his tail, the tail is just like Wiz's, and it's more kinky.